Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to make website shortcut on iPhone. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is to open Safari and head to a website you want to pin to the home screen to get started. So for example, this website, thevikings.com. And then tap the share icon at the bottom. Okay, this one, and then tap on the add to home screen. Okay, when you tap on the send icon, you'll be able to see this. Then just tap on the add to home screen. Okay, next you will have to type in a name for your shortcut and then tap the add button. Okay, for example, this name, okay, for this website, the Vikes, and then tap on the add option. Okay, the website icon will be displayed as a shortcut on the home screen, just like in apps. So it will be look like this. You can see the Vikes, right? So that's how you can add a shortcut or how to make website shortcut on iPhone. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.